In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Microsoft Translator in PowerPoint. If you're seeing translation prompts or automatic translation features in PowerPoint and want them gone, the quickest way is to change your Microsoft account's language and translation preferences. This applies to the same account you use in PowerPoint, and it affects translation prompts across Microsoft apps, not just one presentation. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser and sign in to your Microsoft account. Using Outlook is a handy shortcut because it links straight to your account settings. Once your mailbox loads, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon, which might be your photo or your initials. Click that to open your account menu. Then choose your profile to move into the main Microsoft account portal. Inside your account, look for the language area. This is where Microsoft stores your display language and translation preferences. Open the language section and then select the translation settings. This is the place that controls whether Microsoft automatically offers to translate content for you, including captions and translation suggestions that can appear in Office apps like PowerPoint. To turn those prompts off, choose the option labeled Never Translate. Selecting this tells Microsoft not to translate content or offer translation suggestions for your account. It's a clean, account-wide way to stop the translator experience from popping up while you're presenting or editing slides. After you've made that change, make sure to click Save. Saving is important. If you don't save, your selection won't take effect, and you may still see translation prompts. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you're using a work or school account, your organization may manage some settings. If the translation option is grayed out or missing, check with your IT administrator. Also, confirm you're signed into PowerPoint with the same Microsoft account you updated in Outlook. If PowerPoint was already open, you might not notice the change until the next time you open the app or your presentation. Finally, this setting is designed to reduce translation prompts. It doesn't delete files or affect your slide content. That's it. By signing in through Outlook, opening your profile, going to Language, selecting Translation, choosing Never Translate, and saving, you've effectively removed Microsoft Translator prompts from PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your presentations clean and distraction-free.